Hey everyone, Wade here from Disrupt Tutoring. It's always nice to join you. Today I'm going to be taking you through a question on the human skeleton, and this was prepared by the Disrupt Tutoring team. So let's jump in. What are the two main parts that the human skeleton consists of? Briefly describe those two parts. Okay, so we think about the human skeleton. The two main parts are the axial skeleton and the appendicular skeleton. The axial skeleton, this refers to the vertebral column, so your spine. It also refers to the skull and your rib cage. So that's your axial skeleton. The appendicular skeleton is the rest of you. And by the rest of you, I mean all the limbs. Or appendages. So that's how you get the name. Or your appendages or the appendicular skeleton. So the limbs, and these are your upper and lower limbs. So arms and legs. And that's it, guys. But before I go, don't forget you can send us your question and we'll respond with a personalized video just like this. Or for more epic videos, check out our website. Just a shout out to our sponsor. You can find all of their details and ours down in the description below. Until next time, stay epic.